Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Saroni, a first year BSc nursing student of AIIMS Kalyani. So today I am going to discuss how to make short notes to revise quickly. So let's start. At first I will discuss about organic chemistry. In organic chemistry you have to remember all the name reaction. So you have to make short notes of the name reaction. I will show you how I have made the short notes of I had made like this three column. I think it is better to show you in back camera. So you can see how I have made the short notes of the name reaction. So you can make short notes of the name reaction like this. One another important thing is you can include the exception of organic chemistry in your short notes so that while you revise the short notes, you recall the exception portion. I can show you one example. See, these all are name reaction and I had written one exception with the name reaction. This exception is very important. So you can include all the exception with your short notes like this. For physical chemistry, I had also made a formula sheet for all the chapters, but that copy is not with me now because I am in hostel. So I cannot show that copy. And for the inorganic chemistry, I didn't make any short notes. I revised all the exception of inorganic chemistry again and again. So I didn't think to make another short note copy for inorganic chemistry. Just like physical chemistry, I had also made a formula sheet for all the chapters of physics. For physics, I can say that if you make your own short notes, your own formula sheet, then you definitely get benefit for this. But for the modern physics portion, you must make short notes for the formulas because the questions come from this portion, this modern physics portion, are totally formula based. So you cannot leave the questions because that are very easy if you remember the formula. And the last and most important subject, that is biology. So for zoology and botany, it is not necessary to make short notes for all the chapters. Like for zoology and botany, I had made a limited short notes for some specific topics which I cannot remember easily. I had made some flowcharts and some short notes for some specific topics in zoology and botany. As an example, in animal kingdom, there are so many examples, and the question comes from these chapters like animal kingdom, plant kingdom. The questions are also the example oriented. So you have to remember all the examples very properly. You can see I have made this flowchart for the code. There are two more flowchart for animal kingdom. I used to remember all the examples of animal kingdom like this. If you want to remember all the characteristics of all the phylum, then you can make a flowchart like this. So you can see how I made the flowcharts and short notes whatever for animal kingdom. Like this, I also made flowchart of plant kingdom for flower, for leaves, all this. So in zoology and botany, in any point in any topic, if you feel that you may forget this point or this topic, you just write in a paper and stick it in front of you where you study. Like in human reproduction chapter, one point that is in which month the fetus develop the eyelids. This may be forgettable, so you can make a flowchart of these all points. I have missed one point for chemistry. I can just show you. I had made the structures with their oxidation number for chemistry to remember all the structure, which are exception. And you can make the acidic strength order like this. For salt analysis, I had made this for all the formulas because I forgot many times while doing the questions. So that's all about how to make short notes, and you can follow my technique or you can make in another way. Purpose is to revise quickly the chapters or the topics, and especially which are very important. Actually, I want to share all the short notes and all my flowcharts, but I do not know how to share, and I do not have any Telegram channel. So you can suggest me in the comment section how I can share all these things, so that by seeing all my short notes and flowchart, you can make your own. So suggest me, I will see. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section how is your preparation going on. And again, all the best for your preparation for your exam. Just focus on your study for the rest time and you will secure a seat in AIIMS. Thanks for watching whole the video, and if the video is helpful for you, like, share and subscribe the channel. So for today, bye.